Hello everyone, this is Architect Yogi as usual. So into this video I'm gonna show you how you can get to turn on a setting on Facebook and start making money from the videos that you do upload onto your Facebook personal account. This is an easy process to take on. Just get to follow along as I get to take you through the entire process of how this is done. So when you get onto the home page of Facebook, the next thing to do is to tap onto your profile icon. Once you're done doing that, now the next thing is to tap onto this three dots icon, or the options icon as they call it on Facebook. Now the next thing to do is to turn on the professional mode. As you see onto my account, it's already turned on. That means I'm making money from the videos that I do upload onto my Facebook account. So that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching the video.